Ever wonder how some students always score A's, even when they're not the smartest? It's strategy. Today, I'll show you how to study like an A student. Students don't just study harder, they study smarter. They focus on quality, not just quantity. They plan short, focused sessions with breaks. Students treat study time like appointments. They don't say, I'll study when I have time. They plan and protect their study time. Students don't just read, they study actively. They teach the material, create mind maps, and ask questions. Your environment matters. Students study in clean, quiet spaces, minimizing distractions to maximize focus. Students review their notes weekly, not just before exams, keeping information fresh and reducing panic. They also take care of their brains and bodies, sleeping enough, asking questions in class, and staying curious. Want more smart study tips and science lessons? Subscribe to my science tutorials, where learning is smarter, not harder.